In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in just 2 minutes using GoDaddy. We'll go through each step meticulously to ensure that you come out with a sleek, professional-looking website in no time. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to godaddy.com. If you're not already a user, don't worry, creating a free account is straightforward. For those who are already registered, simply log into your account to get started. Once you're logged in, you're going to find yourself on the GoDaddy homepage. Keep an eye out for the section titled Websites Plus Marketing. Right underneath it, you should see the option that says Start for Free. By clicking this, GoDaddy will prompt you to select the type of website you wish to create. This could be anything from a business site to a digital portfolio or even a blog. Choose the one that aligns with your vision and you'll see a ready-made template suggestion. Now, don't worry if the initial layout doesn't perfectly fit your needs. GoDaddy's platform allows you to easily switch styles and layouts later to better suit your business. Once a template is selected, you'll be taken to a customization screen. This is where the fun truly begins. Using an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, you can personalize all aspects of your website. Click on any text section to modify it. Update it with your own words, and upload personal logos or images to give the site a personal touch. Customizing colors and fonts to match your brand's aesthetic can be done swiftly, creating a cohesive look that reflects your unique style. While you're busy with customization, don't forget the structure of your site. Essential pages bring your website to life. Common pages include home, about, services or products, and contact. Luckily, GoDaddy makes it easy for you to add or remove sections with just a single click. This flexibility allows you to tailor your site's content to meet your specific objectives. Now, with your website starting to look exactly the way you envision, it's time for the final touch, publishing. When you are satisfied with every detail, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the Publish button. Hit it and watch as your site goes live instantly, hosted on a free GoDaddy subdomain. And if you're interested in using a custom domain to give your site that extra professional touch, you can connect it afterward. And just like that, your website is ready for the world to see, all in 2 minutes. Follow along with these steps and you'll have a new website up and running in no time. Happy website building.